mind, friends, I've come to conclude a number of things in this life. That there are two groups of people on earth. Group number one is that group of people who are meant to succeed. Let me start with the people who are meant to succeed. There's this group of people who are just meant to succeed no matter what may. Whether they do something with a lot of ambition, with the zeal, with the love, they still succeed. And whether they do it without any. Yani napata wale jamaa wanaguza tu kitu alafu hicho kitu kina work out. They just touch on something and it blossoms. Wako na shanga hai this guy kwani yako na bahati na gani? Wale jamaa waliweza to succeed. After if they live poor for a number of years. At one point these guys succeed and they succeed completely and there's nothing that pushes them back from the time go. And then there is this group too. People who are just meant to fail. They fail and fail miserably no matter what they do. Even in school, they can work hard completely, but still at the end of the day you see them failing again and you wonder. They try, go to university, go to colleges, study very hard, do a lot of things with a lot of love, disciplined people. But success, my friend, runs away from them and never comes back. Now, a group of people are in this category. A big number of people are in this category. It's very sad. One of them, one of the relevant stories you can use is the story of the former governor of Vihiga County. The guy who yesterday was crying that he was a deputy county governor, but he's now selling firewood to feed his family. Anauza kuni ku feed familia yake. This is sad. This is painful. This is that group of people who are just meant to fail. Such people hata wakingangana wapate pesa wakiwa youth ama ngangana wapate pesa wakiwa level fulani ya maisha, something just happens and then they die poor. They get money even when they are young and then miserably something somewhere just happens and they are poor. People might blame these things on people surrounding him on these people are just meant that way. These people, even if they get old with their money, they will not die rich. Something happens, unaona tu kwa familia kitu kimefanyika tu cha ajabu. Hata huyu jamaa anagonjeka alafu pesa zote zinaisha, anakufa maskini kabla ziko. It is very sad. I believe there are two things, there are only two people in this world. There are those people who are meant to succeed no matter what may, and those people who are meant to fail no matter what may. Even if you come from a rich family, utagundua kwamba no matter what you do, you are just failing. Ndugu zako wana succeed and they are just jokers. In fact, you find that you are the most disciplined. The guys are just arrogant. They do things the way they want. But wewe una fail tu. Wewe dada zako wanangangana, hawa jamaa wanafanya tu vitu wana succeed. Dada yako mwenyewe asikii wazazi anafanya tu vitu vina succeed. Wewe mwenye unangangana unafuata sheria, unafanya kila kitu according to the books, according to the line. You end up failing. And it's very sad that those who succeed mostly never follow the rules. Never follow rules. They were not disciplined at school. They used to break rules at school. They broke all the laws that were put forward at home. In life, they went ahead and broke all the rules of success, like going to school, working hard. They broke all of them. And then they just did things haphazardly. And there they are. They're the ones running the world right now. Who can answer this question? Who can explain to us why and how it happens that way? Hatuna uwezo, hata sisi tunashangaa, hata mimi nashangaa. Maybe siku moja atakuja pata jibu. Anyway, subscribe to my page if you're still new to my page. Follow me. Nipe follow, nipe sub. Asante.